Hey everyone, welcome to my video. Thanks for watching. Today I am making Shami kebab stuffed paratha. I'm excited to share with you. So let's get started. Mix together 5 cups flour, 1 teaspoon yeast, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon sugar, 1 teaspoon carom seeds, 2 beaten eggs. Eggs, yeast, and carom seeds, or ajwain, are optional ingredients. Mix all ingredients. Add water gradually to make a soft dough. Knead well. Cover and set aside for 30 minutes. For Shami kebab filling, I cooked the chickpea dal, minced meat, and potatoes with onions, cilantro, green chili, cumin powder, garam masala, salt, and red chili powder. Then I mashed this mixture. Use a generous amount of filling. Divide kebab filling into 7 equal portions and do the same with the dough. You can use any filling of your choice. Now make 7 balls of dough. Take a ball of dough, make an indent in the center with your thumb, and keep pressing and rotating the dough in your hand to make the cavity slightly larger than the size of a ball of the filling. The edge around the cavity of dough should be slightly thinner than the rest of it. Sit the ball of stuffing in the cavity and bring the dough together around the filling to cover it. Do not leave any cracks or the stuffing will spill out when you roll the parathas. Spread some flour and roll out the stuffed dough ball into a circle. Heat a griddle. The griddle should be hot enough, otherwise the parathas will turn hard. When the pan is hot, transfer a rolled paratha to it. Cook dry for about 2 to 3 minutes on one side. Within 2 to 3 minutes, you will see bubbles over it. Then flip it to the other side and cook another 2 to 3 minutes. You will see the paratha puffs and cooks well. Brush with little ghee or oil all over and flip it to the other side and cook. Press down the edges to cook thoroughly. Cook until golden brown on both sides. Cook on medium heat for a crispy exterior and cooked interior. Remove to a plate and stack them. This keeps them soft. Repeat with the remaining dough and filling to make more parathas. Serve stuffed paratha hot with your favorite chutney, pickle, and raita. Enjoy your delicious stuffed paratha. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel. Thanks. Take care. Bye-bye.